We informed you earlier that the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, NILDS, has reaffirmed its commitment to promoting good governance and sustainable development across Africa through strategic regional partnerships. This follows the opening of a 5-day capacity building workshop organized in collaboration with the Parliamentary Institute of Benin Republic in ABUJA. It is aimed at enhancing legislative competence, leadership effectiveness, and policy formulation among participants. Our correspondent, Victoria Ayoride, now has that report.
Declaring the 5-day workshop open in Abuja, the Director General of National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, NILDS, Professor Abubakar Suleiman, emphasized that the collaboration between both institutions underscores their shared vision of advancing sound legislative practices and strengthening democratic institutions across the continent.
That the outcome of governance are a direct reflections of the quality and capacity of those who make and implement policies and the institutional system that guide them. Good governance cannot thrive without sound policy formulation, without robust legislative frameworks, and without efficient administrative structures. These maiden training workshops between Nigeria and Benin Republic have been thoughtfully designed to strengthen participant understanding of legislative processes and procedures, deepen your grasp of policy formulation and analysis, and enhance your strategic management and leadership skills.
The DG noted that the workshop will equip participants with practical tools, administrative frameworks, and leadership dynamics essential for effective parliamentary performance. According to him, such training aligns with NILD's broader mandate to foster regional cooperation and capacity building and capacity development among African legislatures. Participants were urged to take full advantage of the training by sharing experiences and ideas that could drive the evolution of innovative solutions and practical strategies to strengthen legislative systems in both countries.
Over the next 5 days, you will engage with modules that address not only the theoretical foundations of legislative governance, but also practical tools such as innovative management techniques, leadership dynamics, oversight mechanisms, and the applications of artificial intelligence in parliamentary processes.
The director of the Parliamentary Institute of Benin Republic commended NILDS for its leading role in building institutional capacity across the region and expressed optimism that the partnership would yield measurable outcomes in legislative innovation and governance reforms. Victoria Ayoride, reporting for Captain TV.